Hi, this is Christy Kimbrell with the Exceptional Home Team in Keller Williams Realty. I've had a fun client this week. However, what they're running into is, should you look outside of your price point? If their comfort level, or if your comfort level is $320 for a house payment, should you look up to $350? I kind of say no. If you look up to $350, you're likely to find a house that should be $380 and is at $350, and then you go to make an offer and the seller's not willing to budge. They know they've already reduced their house to a price that is going to get it sold. They're serious about selling it, and so they aren't going to be willing to flex down to your number. If you're looking at those houses at $350 that should be lower, you're also going to have to counteract the fact that the seller's brain isn't ready to go there, or they would have priced it closer to a realistic number. They're still trying the market and they are testing their price, and if you get them down to a $320, say that's all it's worth, you're already fighting for a $30,000, a 10% price reduction, which is fairly unprecedented if it's not a bank-owned home right now, and there's plenty of inventory out there that's not, and it's easier to buy them and you don't have to deal with a whole lot. But you're already battling to get them down to a current selling price where other homes are selling at, and then in order to feel like you got a good value, you've got to get them even further. So you end up paying almost retail, if you will, for this market. If you're looking outside of your price point, you're best to look up to $325, maybe $5,000 out of your price point, and then go ahead and make offers, only offer on houses that are priced right to start with, because you really do need to make sure that you get a good value. A lot of people are selling for less than they wanted to. You need to make it up on the buy side. It's possible, they're out there, but it can be really frustrating. So thanks for watching, and this is Christy Kimbrell with the Exceptional Home Team in Keller Williams Realty.